Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, in DNA astrology, every word has a meaning and a karmic registry associated with it. आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं शाहरुख खान इस वर्ड की और शाहरुख खान जो फिल्म एक्टर हैं उनके लाइफ के कर्मा रजिस्ट्री की. अगर हम शाहरुख का रियल मीनिंग देखें, इट इम्प्लाइज द किंग ऑफ बर्ड्स. इसे हम पक्षी राजा कहते हैं और हिंदू मैथोलॉजी के हिसाब से पक्षी राजा इज गरुड़ा, द अबोर्ड ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु, एज यू कैन सी बिहाइंड मी. तो गरुड़ा या पक्षी राजा शाहरुख का अर्थ हुआ. और खान जो है इट मीन्स अ किंग. ओके, सो इन एज यू ऑल नो इन DNA एस्ट्रोलॉजी वी टेक द like evidences from the mythology and make it the basis for the further research. So the birth star of Garuda or Jatayu is Swati Nakshatra, which carries Saturn karma registry. So the word Shahrukh definitely has Saturn karma registry. And if you check for Saturn karma registry in my earlier videos, मैंने एक बात कही है कि Saturn karma registries show young age death in the family lineage. We all know that Shahrukh Khan's parents passed away at a very young age. तो शनि कर्मा उनके लाइफ में बड़ा ही प्रोमिनेंट रहा. अगर सेकेंड लेयर में जाएं तो जैसे अभी बर्ड और पक्षी. ओके, द बर्ड के दो एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं कि बर्ड यूज टू फ्लाई, इट फ्लाइज फ्रॉम वन पोजिशन टू अनदर. ओके, it like you can think of it as a medium of transportation. So Rahu karma is associated with it. Also it uses the wind as the medium of transport, mode of transport. So Mercury karma is also associated with it. Rahu karma and Mercury karma. So Rahu karma shows transportation, moving mobility from one place to another, transportation. Okay, so in many of Shahrukh Khan's movies, you will see he would use like there would be peculiar scenes where he would use an aircraft and helicopter or a fancy bike or a car, you know, action sequences like that. And most part of his life also is spent in traveling from one place to another. So Rahu karma is very prominent, and in many movies you will see that he also using the birds. As I told you, the meaning of Shahrukh, it means birds, so he's using birds as, you know, for in the movie DDLJ, he's feeding birds. Okay, he's feeding the pigeons. And there's a scene in the movie Ram Jane, he's freeing the birds from the cages. So a lot of birds, helicopters, you know, airways shown in his movie. And also the Khan, the word of meaning Khan, the meaning of word Khan is king. Okay, so we can see the title of a king is associated with his name in the Bollywood, and he has also received lot of help, lot of acknowledgement, lot of hospitality from the kings or the kingdoms of various places, including UAE. Okay, so he's the brand ambassador for the Dubai United Arab Emirates, and he's received a lot of acknowledgement from the king of that. The governments, the various governments of various nations, somebody has given him doctorate, somebody has given him something. So the king attribute, and reaching the top, okay, of the pinnacle, where in whichever stream the person is associated with the word king. Okay, so and talking about birds, one interesting thing you will see in his movie is that when, like, most of his dance choreography, his dancing steps are in such a way that he would move his hands in such a way it would look like a flying bird. Okay, as his name suggests, Shahrukh Khan Garuda. So most of his steps and the way he waves his hand outwards is the peculiar way, like you can see backward, in the form of a bird. So what we are trying to establish is that whatever names, there's some karma registry associated with it, and the person has to undergo that karma. And the third is Mercury karma. As I told you, Mercury shows something, record keeping, or taking record of something, shooting something with a camera. Obviously, Shahrukh Khan's life revolves around everything. Wherever he stands, there are thousands of cameras to take pictures of him. Most of this time, his profession is such that he has to, be around cameras, movie shooting, video shooting, etc. So irrespective of geographical area and place, whosoever would be named in such a way, Shahrukh Khan, more or less, or any of these karak tattvas, Shani karma, Rahu karma, Mercury karma, Surya karma, will be integral part, important part of their life. So this is the fact of DNA astrology. If you want to know more about DNA, stellar astrology, nakshatra pe astrology, or Vastu Shastra, you can contact us at Maharishi Astrological Center. My number is 9503596761. Thanks a lot.